Your security is our top priority, which is why the Smile account is equipped with a 3D Secure security system, the most reliable identification method. You don't know what it is? We'll explain it to you. To make your online transactions and purchases completely secure and to avoid any type of fraud, Moneytrans sent you a security code called 3D Secure by SMS when you opened your Smile account. This code can be difficult to remember, so we gave you the option to change it. You can do this by clicking on the Set 3D Secure Code option to access your personal area. This way, you will be the only person who knows it. Here is how an online purchase works. After entering your card details, you are redirected to the MasterCard Secure platform. You will receive a unique code by SMS, which you enter in the first field. You then enter your 3D Secure code in the second field and click on Confirm. Smile account? The account that takes you into account.